Behind-the-scenes action in Formula One is often as intense as the races on the track, and sometimes even more so. As the engines roar on the circuits, the political and administrative corridors of the teams also boil, with decisions that can shape the future of the Shields. And when the name of Sebastian Vettel comes back to the paddocks, fans pay attention. Something big may be coming. Away from the track since his retirement at Aston Martin, the four-time world champion still maintains a solid bond with the F1 world, not just for the memories of his glorious days with Red Bull, but for the admiration he still carries behind the scenes. In recent months, rumours have grown that Vettel could return not as a driver, but as an advisor, occupying an emblematic space, that of Helmut Marko, mentor of the bullfighting team. In an interview with the podcast Backstage Boxengasse, Vettel responded cautiously, but without closing doors. "I think there is only one Helmut Marko, and his role is quite clear," he said. However, he highlighted the connection and inspiring dialogue that he has maintained with the veteran consultant. "Like me, he grew up in motor racing, of course in a different time, but the core values have not changed. The essence of sport remains." Sebastian also stressed that there is a genuine exchange of experiences between him and Marko, which could, in the future, facilitate a transition. "Many perspectives and experiences can be transferred. I'm still in contact with him and asked him a few years ago how long he would like to continue. He said not long, but he is still firm." Despite the speculation, Vettel did not confirm any direct negotiation, nor did he signal haste. He understands that to take the place of Marko, a figure with deep knowledge of Red Bull's structure, would be an immense responsibility. "As long as he doesn't give up, it's still a huge advantage for the team," he added. For the German, the moment of the possible farewell of Helmut Marko will be a watershed. It would be sad if he ever left, but in this case, the team will have to reinvent itself, seek a new direction. And then, naturally, the question arises, is Vettel that new direction? And would you like to see Sebastian Vettel back at Red Bull now as an advisor? Do you think he has the ideal profile to fill the post of Helmut Marko? Leave your opinion in the comments, and of course, subscribe to the channel to stay on top of everything that happens behind the scenes of Formula One.